Chemical Guy's professional grade premium microfiber towel in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 13,369 ratings and 1936 reviews. 94% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 2% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Chemical Guys to the rescue. My 2018 MBC 300 shines like new. When I told my garage attendant that I wanted to wipe the rain off my 2018 Mercedes C300 with a bath towel, he warned me not to do it. He said the towel could scratch the finish, and said I needed a microfiber chamois-type towel to preserve the shine. The Chemical Guys premium towel solved my problem. I use it when I wash my car, as well as gently wiping off the car's finish with a few squirts of water when parked at our local Costco while my wife shops. I've also discovered that the Chemical Guys towel can easily be washed in cold water and comes out clean and good as new. In addition, I use these towels to clean my TV and computer monitor screens. With gentle wiping, it removes the dust and gets off the streaks and make the monitors crystal clear and shiny. Highly recommended for my routine auto and household cleaning chores." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Not lint-free, it's 100% lint. I love Chemical Guys wash soap, wax and everything, so I ordered this item with high expectations. Gee, I am not sure if I received a very old stock. My car was full of lint as I use it. Horrible. Not good. Other cheaper brand delivers better. That's it.
This is the professional grade premium microfiber towel. It features a silk banded edge for scratchless detailing across your vehicle. It has a high pile side, which is great for removing water and spray detailers, and a low pile side, which is great for removing waxes and sealants. And it's available right here on Amazon.